So this is my second day of stay in Rome. I am staying in this place called Tivoli. Tivoli is around an hour's drive from the main city center of Rome. I'm staying at this property called Hotel Adriana Villa. This is the view that I can see from my room. The sun hasn't rise yet, but I have a hectic schedule to be honest, so I have to start my day early. Let's get some breakfast and then get started. So we are on our way to the first destination for today, which is the Colosseum. The Colosseum has a history behind it. I'll share the history once I reach the Colosseum. We started at around 9 o'clock in the morning, and this is promising to be a really long and tiring day because we will be covering a lot of places, and then we also have the Vatican City to be covered. This is one of the tunnels in Italy. In Europe, you will see a lot of tunnels if you're doing road trips. This is quite cool to be honest, because in India we're not, at least in the side of India that I am staying, we don't see a lot of tunnels, and over here every 10 minutes you will see a tunnel. That's quite cool. Anyway, so it's around an hour's drive from my hotel to the Colosseum. So once I reach the Colosseum, I'll narrate the history about the place.
Right? It was built in 72, completed in 79 by the family Flavia. Flavia family. 0,72 up to 0,79 AD after Jesus Christ. 7 years to build the Colosseum, only 7 years, and was inaugurated in 1880 and from Titus. The Flavia dynasty were Vespasianus, Tito, Domitian, 3 members of the Flavia family that they built the Colosseum.
So yeah, as our tour guide Claudia was telling us about the Colosseum, so this was the largest amphitheater that was ever built. It is still the largest amphitheater standing. This can hold around 80,000 people at a time, and this used to be the place where the gladiator battles used to be fought. You've seen the movies Gladiator 1 and 2, so this Colosseum is the center of attraction for those movies, as the battles used to be conducted in real life inside this Colosseum, where you had gladiators fighting against each other and sometimes against wild animals.
Hello? 10 minutes time here. 10 minutes.
Okay, so this is a very interesting thing that I saw in Rome, and I heard that it's the same in every city in Europe. So there's a traffic signal not just for vehicles but for pedestrians as well. This red colored human means human beings or pedestrians should not walk right now, so we need to stop and let the vehicles pass. This light will turn green. Once it turns green, we can walk. So let's wait for this signal to turn green. And yeah, now you will see pedestrians are walking. So now we are crossing the road, and we can only cross from the zebra crossing.
Okay, and basically, Esquilino is one of the 7 hills where, according to the legend, Rome was built, was founded, was built. The 7 hills are
So we have arrived at our second destination for the day, which is the Trevi Fountain. This is a very crowded place, and crowded place in Rome attracts pickpocketers. Now I'll try to go to the main viewing point, but it's a little scary because that's the hotspot of pickpocketers. From there actually we can see this building better. Yep. So I am in front of the Trevi Fountain now. This place is very beautiful, but you have to be very alert of the pickpocketers. Rumor has it that if you toss a coin with your back towards the fountain, and if you toss a coin with your right hand over your left shoulder, then it is a prayer that you will again come to Rome. Now I didn't have any coins with me, so I couldn't toss it, and to be honest, it was so crowded at the fountain that I just saw the fountain from here. I didn't go too close. But if you have the time, and if you have the courage, and if you have the patience to stand in line, sure, you can do that.
চলে গেল তো।
হ্যাঁ, উনি যাচ্ছে, চলো।
বলুন না, কোথায় গেল?
So now we are at this place called the Spanish Steps. The steps that you see in front are the Spanish Steps, and the name Spanish Steps has a history, to be honest. The structure, the white building that you see in front is a church, okay, and over here you can see the Spanish embassy. I'm not sure if you can see. Let me zoom in to show you the flag. Yeah, so this is the building of the Spanish embassy. Now to connect the church, which is built on the top of a hill, with the main road, this steps was made, okay, and since the steps were leading to the Spanish embassy, hence the name Spanish Steps were given. This is probably one of the places on earth where there is a entire country located within a city. Welcome to the Vatican City. This is the smallest country in the entire world. This has around 800 people living inside, and right now the Pope is no longer alive. We do not have a Pope in the Vatican City. What you see in front is the St. Peter's Basilica. We will try to get inside that, but it's super crowded because the Pope is no longer here, and therefore it's a special time for all the Catholics who have gathered here all over the world, from all over the world. Anyway, so we are at the St. Peter's Square, and we will be going inside the church. Let's see how long it takes for us, and how much of the church we can explore, because what I'm hearing from the people who are coming outside, not everything is accessible for the tourists. So yeah, that was it from today. I managed to cover most of the tourist places that people usually visit in Rome. Missed out on visiting the Pantheon, but maybe that's for another visit. Tomorrow we will be heading towards Pisa. I will be exploring Pisa and Florence. So stay tuned for my day 3 video from Pisa. Bye for now and have a nice day.
তখন যদি হয় কেউ বলে আমি খাবো